You are welcome to Brilliant Stereo College class. So the topic that we have here is mean value of a function between 2 points, and that is from integration. So, and this is the formula we're going to use to solve it. M equals to 1 over b minus a integral a to b y dx, or you can use m equals to 1 over b minus a integral a to b f of x dx. So in this case, this y is a function of x and this f of x is a function of x. So it's either we are given this y or we are given f of x, and 2 points will be given to us in the question, and the first point will be a while the second point will be b, and this is the first value of x while b is the second value of x. So now from here we have one example here. Find the mean value of y equals to 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 between x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 2. So now what I need to do is, the first value, like I said earlier, the first value of x, the first point, that's a, which is minus 1, and the second point, which is x equals to 2, that will be the value of b. And the value of y given is 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. Then we'll substitute everything into this particular formula. And from this formula, we'll have m, which stands for the mean value. So 1 over b minus a, the value of our b is 2, minus, here we have minus here. The value of a itself is minus 1. So take note of the negative signs. So now we have integral a to b. The value of a is minus 1, the value of b is 2. Then the value of our y is 3x squared plus 4x plus 1, then with respect to x. So minus times minus 1, that will give us plus 1. Integral minus 1 to 2, 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 with respect to x. So 2 plus 1 will give us 3. We have 1 over 3. Now by the time you integrate 3x squared, that will give us 3x raised by 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, because we're adding 1 to the power of this x, which is 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. So plus, when you integrate 4x, that will give us, the power of this x is 1. You add 1 to the power of that x, that will become 4x raised by 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus, when you integrate 1 with respect to x, that will give us x. So that's plus x. So we have 1 over 3 here, open bracket. 2 plus 1 will give us 3. Then 2 plus 1, that's 3. Then this one will give us 4x squared over 2 plus x. So 3 will cancel 3. Then 2 goes in 4. That's 2 times plus x. So this one will now become 1 over 3 x cubed plus 2x squared plus x. So minus 1 is here. Then 2 will be there. Now the next thing I need to do is, we'll go back to this particular place. We're going to express this in 2 places. So in the first bracket, what we have here, we'll write it here. Put a negative sign between. Then the same thing that we have here, we'll write that one in another bracket as well. So we are subtracting the upper limit from the lower limit. So we are subtracting the upper limit from the lower limit. So minus 1 and 2 will be there. So we have 1 over 3. Anywhere you see x at this side, these 2 will enter. So that will become 2 raised by 3 plus, here we have x, 2 raised by 2 plus x. Anywhere we see x, you are putting 2. Then the other side, anywhere you see x, you put minus 1. So from here, 2 raised by 3 will give us 8, plus 2 raised by 2, that will give us 4. That's 2 times 2, that's 4. Times this 2, that will give us 8. Now, plus this 2. Minus 1 raised by 3, that's minus 1 in 3 places. So, when you multiply minus 1 in 3 places, that will give us negative 1. Plus, minus 1 raised by 2, that's positive 1, times 2, that will give us plus 2. Now, plus times minus, that will give us minus 1. So, we have minus 1 in that case. So, now from here, we have 8 plus 8 plus 2, that will give us 18. This negative sign will be here. Minus 1 plus 2 minus 1, that will give us 0. So that one is 0. Then we have 1 over 3 outside. 18 minus 0 will give us 18. Times 1 over 3, that will become 18 over 3. And 18 divided by 3, we have 6. So therefore, the mean value for the function given for that particular question is equals to 6. Kindly drop your comment in the comment box. Like, share, and comment. Thank you so much.